Hello everyone. Not many of you know, but I used to be a chef. So today we're going to try something new. I'm going to be doing a pork tenderloin. And we're going to marinate that overnight. I already got everything prepared here for you guys. I will also have all the recipe in the description for you. But let's go over what we got. Okay, we have EVO, which is, I think that's 3/4 of a cup. Then we have some orange peel, which is a tablespoon. Some fresh lime juice, which is a 1/2 cup. 3/4 cups of orange juice, freshly squeezed. 8 garlic cloves minced. 1 tablespoon of minced oregano, and then this is cilantro and some mint. Let's go over that all again for you guys. We have the EVO, we have the lime juice, the orange juice, the orange peels, and we have mint, loosely chopped, fine chopped oregano right there, and cilantro, garlic, and then the piggy. So, what's next is we are going to get a bowl. Let me get a whisk. 3/4 cup of olive oil or extra virgin oil. Half a cup of lime juice, 3/4 cup freshly squeezed orange juice, lemon peel, or orange peel, sorry, orange peel, and a tablespoon of that. Chopped oregano, dried, tablespoon of that. 8 cloves of minced garlic. Cilantro, mint, then, see, there it is everybody, and we're gonna whisk that all together. Get it all nice emulsified. Hopefully your whisk doesn't come apart. So, what this recipe is, it's mostly for pork shoulder, but you can do it with any kind of cut of meat. The mojito. So it's got that, you know, Caribbean feel to it. It's a Cuban. It's a Cuban. Well, no, I don't have a Cuban accent. Sorry, everybody. I'm trying to have some fun with this. This is something I've never done besides try to teach people in the restaurant. So this is kind of a change of pace here. I've done it on tenderloins. I've done it on roasts. I've done it on shoulders. I've made pulled pork sandwiches out of all this. Come on. This is also locally sourced. Beautiful. So, now that that is nicely taken out, and I don't have to trim it, maybe a little bit. But I don't want to trim it too much because I want that fat. And these are nice tenderloins. See, nice tenderloin. So, see, it's nicely trimmed. Got these from a local butcher. So what we're gonna do, get these piggies in a plastic bag. Forgot that there was 2 of them in here. So pour our mixture into the bag. Get this. I swear to God, this is the most unorganized kitchen. It's also too goddamn small. So, yes, I also do my own dishes. So, anyway, so now what we're gonna do is, there's the piggies, okay? I'm gonna zip this up. Let me get that air out. You don't want the air. Now, okay, come on. Get that out. So, what we're gonna do, take our piggy, all right? Make sure it's nice and wet. Get that in there. So, the recipe did call for cumin, but I didn't have any. And I'm not waiting for the old man to get back with it because he's gonna take way too long and I'm gonna already be like way ahead of him. So, anyway, if I really wanted it and he does get here, I could take the 1/3 of a tablespoon and put it in there and mix it in with that, but it'll be fine without the cumin. So anyway, so what we got here, like I was saying, is a pork tenderloin. I got 2 pork tenderloins inside a Mojito blend, which is your EVO, extra olive oil. Then you got freshly squeezed orange juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. You got 8 cloves of garlic minced. You have a cup of cilantro, finely chopped. Half a cup of mint, loosely chopped. Then you got a tablespoon of oregano. You got a tablespoon of orange zest. And you mix that all together, whisk it all good and good. Then what you do is you put it in a bag, just like this. See, just like this. And you know what you do with that bad boy? The reason why we have it in the bowl is just in case if anything leaks. We don't want a messy fridge. Then we put it right in the bottom of the refrigerator. I'm gonna have that sit until tomorrow. So, yes, to give everybody an idea once again, I was a chef by trade. What you just saw was a Mojito pork marinade from scratch. You have your olive oil, you have your orange juice, you have your lime juice, you have your garlic, you have your mint, and you have your cilantro. And you mix all that together. Let it marinate for overnight. Then tomorrow, you'll see what happens. So as of now, I would like to say, everyone, hang out, see what happens, and give this a like and subscribe. Rock on.